natin na ikaw ay nasa Akari family na? In Japanese, in Japanese.
ここに来てとても嬉しいです。
Oh, balak! Okay. So, ang unang tanong, unahin natin yung tanong natin. Ita-translate niya in Japanese ni Sir Ishii, ha? Ran, how was your flight?
非常にいい、飛行機の、旅を過ごせましたし、すごく、楽しみにして飛行機を乗ってきました。
Maganda po yung flight ko. Tapos like, na-interesado po yung like, I was looking for yung meron po sa Pilipinas.
Naintindihan niyo ba? Masabi ano? You know what? In the Philippines, ano bang meron sa Pilipinas yung gusto yung i-share kay Ran? Ipapatranslate. Ano gusto yung tanong? Sir Ishii, sa Pilipinas daw, maraming magandang babae. Sir Ishii.
I know, sure.
Wait a minute, I have a question. Ano ang masasabi mo sa mga magagandang dilag na naandito?
Magagandang babae.
Mga magagandang babae na ano masasabi mo?
Japanese.
Ayan.
Bijo.
Bijo ibig sabihin yung magandang babae.
Maganda raw kayo!
Masaya ba is he happy? Masaya ba si Ran na marami siyang fans sa Philippines?
Yeah, I'm so happy to...
At ang ginigilig.
Kinikilig ba kayo? I just asked them, what is kilig or blushing in Japan, in Japanese? Blushing, excited.
Kofum, yeah. In Japanese, kofum. I'm so excited.
Yeah! Okay, so meron pa kaming one question.
Alright.
Okay, ha? What is your favorite Akari product? Yeah. What is his favorite Akari product?
This one.
Pakita niyo. Show them.
Oh guys, dahil paborito nila to, sabay-sabay yung 11 mic, dapat nyo sliran. Gaman. Yeah!
Pakita niyo guys, pakita niyo dali. Release. Yeah.
I think they also have this.
Yeah, that's good, this one, yeah. I love it.
Why is this your favorite?
I know, it's, it's size is perfect for me, It's not so big, it's not so much, it's not small, Also, it's powerful. Yeah, I love it.
Ay, love kayo.
Guys, dahil paborito ni Ranto, sabay-sabay natin itaas ang ating mga turbo fans!
Taas mo.
Red, black and white. Come on, black. What color is your favorite, black or white?
Oh, it's difficult.
Black? Wait. Okay, can you show us all the white turbo fans?
Only white.
All the white, and then all the black. So what's your favorite color?
I like black.
Alis na pinili.
Ate, palit tayo.
Sabi ni ate, hindi ako nagsisilang black building ko.
We're so happy. But also, today, we will have a photo opportunity. Some of the lucky fans, okay, will have a photo opportunity with you. Magpapapicture sila yung ilan sa mga masuswerteng fans. Yeah. Alright. But, siyempre, okay lang ba na maging judge si Ran ng ating game?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Kasama siya.
How many players? Oh, okay, Ran. 2 dancers. TikTok. Okay,
Two from VIP.
Okay.
And two. Another two. Very lucky yun, ha? Swerte yung dalawa dito at dalawa doon sa labas, ha? Napakaswerte nyo para baka makita nyo in person si Sir Ran.
Okay. Okay, so this is our dance challenge, and then Ran will be the judge. Okay.
Galingan nyo, ha? Galingan
Okay.
nyo.
Again, Ran will be the judge for our dance. I think I have someone.
Sina ang swerte yung dalawang makakasayaw mo?
Oh my God!
Tignan natin.
Ran, do you also do TikTok?
You do TikTok?
You do TikTok? He will try.
He will try.
Would you like to try with the players?
Can you do that, Sir Ran?
Okay, so I think I have someone.
May magtuturo ata. Oo, may magtuturo, ha? Para magano tayo join sa atin. At syempre, kung sino man sa inyo, ako napakaswerte nyo, guys.
Okay, so guys, actually this is one of my favorite moment today. The pride of Japan and the world will join the pride of the Philippines. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, joining Ran Takahashi on stage are our very own. Nandito na po sila nagbabalik on stage. Fifi Sharma and Faith Despero!
Baka naman natin. Idol to idol yan, ha?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so pipili tayo. Ano mo natin yung TikTok na sample?
Nagpapakita muna
Oo,
nila.
sample muna ng TikTok.
Are you gonna show me to Ran? Okay. Gusto niyo ba ipakita ni Fifi at ni Faith?
Sample muna, sample muna.
Ano ba yun? Paano ba yun?
Paano ba yun? Sample na tayo, sample lang.
Sige na, sige na. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Chorus ka.
Sa chorus. Wala mong palakpakan dyan. Nakita nyo? Sumayaw sila! Sumayaw sila! Okay. So I will
Si Ate, may excited na, oh. Sino nakakaalam ng step? Alam na alam, ha?
Alam mo daw yung step.
Sige, ano yun natin? Yung may alam talaga na sa. Ay, mahirap na pero okay lang.
Oh, sino